So you're just learning how to play? Are you just learning how to play? Yeah? Okay.
You can tell it.
Oh yes, because if I was going to tell you, if you're a professional, you suck.
Spend the time on something.
Yeah. You got to get yourself and learn how to read notes.
Yeah. Oh, you have
Yeah.
to learn a lot before
Oh,
music.
jeez, yeah.
You play too?
No, I just play the radio. All I had to learn is learn one thing, push a button.
Yeah.
My father used to play violin, guitar. I couldn't pick it up, I don't know. I wish I could play the guitar,
Yeah.
but
Well, it's good to.
I'm just not musically talented.
Yeah, well.
That's
yeah,
all, you know?
You have to.
You have to have an ear for it too, eh? So,
And it take a lot of practice.
oh yeah, everything takes practice, man.
Like,
You do it enough, you'll become a master, you know?
I just listen to you know, to keep the brain
Yeah,
active.
absolutely.
And
Go to YouTube, you'll learn. You learn how to
that's
play.
What I'm
Yeah,
watching YouTube.
Yeah, yeah.
There's a lot of stuff.
oh
there.
yeah,
Oof.
absolutely.
This is what I'm watching because
Yeah.
it's a lot.
Oh, you'll learn.
Good stuff.
Yes, sir. Okay, you take care.
Thank you very much. Sir.
We'll see you next time.
Yes.
Okay, bye-bye now.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.